Hello everyone, today I'm here at the ODOO Roadshow 2023 hosted in Dubai. The show today is hosted by ODOO along with partnership with partners and the community and also customers. So the show focuses on the new product which is launching ODOO version 17. So stay tuned guys, stay with me through the entire video where I'm going to show you the whole event along with me. Thank you.
For companies like yourselves, you'll be using ODOO Enterprise. So this is the software that you'll be needing to use to get your business up and running.
Okay, great. Hello viewers. So I have Mr. Basil. Basil is the Senior ERP Advisor at ODOO. So hi Basil, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. So tell me more about this ODOO Roadshow 2023. So what is it about? Can you give a brief about it, please?
Yeah, absolutely. So we always do roadshows where we invite our customers, people are also interested in ODOO, and we just want to showcase what ODOO is all about. We want to interact with all of our guests. We want to see feedback, what they think of ODOO, what they expect in future updates, and these are, what we do in these events. Right. And we just like to showcase, which what we did today, I believe, for version 17.
Great. So tell me more about this version 17. I think this is the new version ODOO 17, the upgrade from the previous version. So what can we expect from this ODOO version 17, which is coming up shortly?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, there's so many features that we released, but I'll talk about some of the important ones. So first of all, ODOO Industries.
Right. Industries
allows you with a click of a button to click, for example, the real estate industry, and then the ODOO database will configure as per a real estate database. You'll be able to manage your properties, manage your leases, manage different contracts, different clients. It really allows you to have a database set up so you can start using ODOO right away. Right. Another feature that I really like personally, being a tech background, is the webhook function in Studio. So webhooks essentially allows us to have a webhook link that you can provide to a third-party software like Stripe, for example. Once Stripe creates a transaction, it will hit the webhook, and then you can create custom actions that you want to be taken, server actions in ODOO, such as validate an order, create a customer, update a customer, etc. This is another feature.
Beautiful. So I did happen to see something about ChatGPT and also WhatsApp integration as well. So can you talk a bit more about those new features coming in?
Yeah, absolutely. So with ChatGPT, essentially, you want to generate content. Sometimes it can be tiresome. You want to figure out the best title or whatever. You can easily highlight any content on ODOO, and then you click on AI, and it will actually recommend different headlines or different titles that you can substitute, and even prompt it to, for example, give me a more friendlier option or a more professional option. So this streamlines the way that you can manage all your content in ODOO. Second of all, for WhatsApp, we have a lot of clients that's always saying, we want to send messages on WhatsApp, we want to send invoices on WhatsApp, we need a WhatsApp integration. Finally, ODOO Belgium integrated WhatsApp into the platform, and you can easily send invoices on WhatsApp to customers, communicate with customers on WhatsApp, all on ODOO.
Amazing, great. And is there any changes to the pricing that you're bringing in with this new ODOO 70, or is it going to be the same pricing? How does
So at this time, it's the same pricing, $13.50 per month, for the first year for the standard plan, and then we have $20.40 for the custom plan, exact same cost.
Right. So now let's talk about the partner network. So how does ODOO operate, like in terms of business model? I know about ODOO, but for the viewers who don't know about the model, how is your business model work? So is it like the OEM as ODOO takes up the projects yourself, or you work with a partner model? Which is the model which, as a viewer who's watching it, which you recommend?
Yes. So ODOO has two, you can say, approaches to implementation. So the subscription, of course, this is our first model, software as a service. You take this as a subscription, and then you get access to the platform. Then you want to do implementation. So you can go with ODOO Direct. So we will actually in-house implement your whole system for you, imports your data, train you on how to use the system, customize, and even do developments. Or you have the option, of course, of going with a partner, and they can also implement for you. So which you choose, whether it's in direct or partner, that's totally up to you.
Great. So thank you so much, Basil. Appreciate your time.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to know more about Hashcode. What do you do?
Right. So I'll just quickly give you the entire journey of Hashcode. I'll try to be very quick and sweet. So we started back in 2019. So I'm in this market for the last 14 years. So since 2019, I started my own journey, which is Hashcode IT Solutions. And so we are an ODOO partner since 2020. So prior to becoming an ODOO partner, as you know, a small business starting in Dubai, we started working on any random projects that's coming our way. So we started working on, so if somebody's asking for a hospital management solution, we would say, yes, we have something. So we try to find a product in this market.
Okay.
And if somebody's coming for a construction ERP, we would say that, yes, we have another solution for that. So we were looking at tons of applications which we were dealing with. But at some point, we decided, so I am an ODOO user since 2015, right? I started using ODOO CRM for my business. And by 2020, I decided, yes, it's the time. I became an ODOO partner.
Right.
I focus on ODOO completely. And alhamdulillah, it's doing really well.
Good.
And ODOO is keeping us busy as well. So now, as we speak, we have a solution ready off the shelf for most of these industries that you see over here.
So let me talk about these industries. So which industries are you focusing on?
So we're predominantly focusing on trading.
Okay.
So everybody has a solution for trading and distribution. But again, trading is slightly different with each and every business. So if you're talking about retail, it's slightly different. If you're talking about, let's say, medical equipments and consumables for hospital and trading is totally different.
Yes.
Now you're talking about tobacco. So we have clients who are into cigarette manufacturing, honestly speaking.
Okay.
So trading of tobacco is totally different. So we have diversified trading solutions for each and every business. So, and again, we have a solution, a product called Projects, which is for construction industry. So you're talking about, exactly.
Okay.
So it could be a main contractor, it could be an MEP contractor. So we have a solution which covers end to end. We're talking about estimation management, costing, proposals, contracts, budget management, material requisitions, job orders, so on and so forth. So we have an entire solution. It's a product that we built on top of ODOO. So that is the flexibility ODOO offers today.
Great.
You can create your own products.
So how does your roadmap look like? Like what other industries?
Now we're working on a few other products as well. We're looking for the talk of the town is AI.
Yes.
We're talking about ChatGPTs, Gen AI. But honestly speaking, today's AI is not really at an enterprise level. It's still maturing.
Yeah.
So we're trying to keep an eye on it and trying to incorporate how we can harness the power of AI into ERP solutions. So we're working on a few things based on that, especially on HR and payroll. We're trying to see a good onboarding and recruitment solution wherein we can integrate with those job portals out there in the system. We can automatically capture CVs and all that. So that's something which we are currently working on. So it's all about creating products rather than doing a lot of customizations and engineering as and when you have requirements.
Perfect. Great. So thank you so much for your time, sir.
Not a problem. Thanks for your time. Thanks for having me.
Hi Khalid, how are you?
How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you. So tell me more about Kaizen.
Okay, so basically Kaizen is an ODOO Gold partner. We were nominated last month as ODOO Best Starter in MENA region for over 18 countries and over 600 partners. We don't only offer ERP implementation, we also offer process re-optimization. So we look into client issues in details. We look into time and motion studies, try to see where this time get wasted before within any process, optimize it before we implement it on ODOO.
Great. So in terms of industries, which industries are saying that these are the top 3 industries for Kaizen focusing?
Okay, so I would say construction is one of our best suits. I'd say real estate. And I'd say our main specialty that even the name is driven from Kaizen is manufacturing. If we get a manufacturing project, we take it or anything. Manufacturing is where we at and what we love to do.
Great. So can you tell me a bit more about products which are built on top of ODOO platform?
Okay, so we have multiple solutions that were built. We try to offer an all-in-one integrated solution. So, for example, we have an HR solution for the construction companies that has a mobile application that's fully integrated with ODOO, as well as, let me give you a quick example of one of the issues that we solved. One of the main issues in construction is taking attendance on site. So the idea of the mobile application is to have the site pinned with the GPS, and then the moment your employees or your site engineers enter the site, automatically they will punch in and punch out through GPS. Because you can't fix a punch-in machine in every site whenever you move. So we try to solve business issues with automations along with ODOO.
Great. So thank you so much, Khalid.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure, man.
It's my pleasure, man.